How to make, or how I made, a funky mid-century inspired planter. Let's get into it. I started with the feet, ripping down some scrap pieces from the L-shaped bar. Then jointing and planing them square. After cutting them into 4 equal 4-inch pieces, I measured and marked the center of each end grain. Then mounted them to the center spur. Lathe things I've learned from you all number 1, get a mallet. Lathe things I've learned from you all number 2, remove the faceplate. Time to turn. Once the feet were ready, I moved on to the circular shelf mounts. I used offcuts from the laminated tops of the knockover stools. If you haven't, check those out. But as a quick recap, once the panel was laminated, I used a circle cutting jig and a marked center point to cut the outer edge of the circle. Then shorten the radius of the router jig to cut the inner edge of the circle. Once cut out, I sanded away any roughness. Then rounded over the outward facing edges. With those ready, I turned to the shelves, ripping and squaring some raw lumber. Then laminated the pieces. And once ready, cut them down to size at a 50-degree angle. After that, it was time to get everything to a finishing level sand down. And with the pieces ready, it was time to assemble. I started with the feet, using a drill press and Forstner bits to clear the space for the threaded inserts. Then, using the same setup, cleared space for the bolt to hold the feet to the base shelf. To hide the bolts, I added some dowels and cut them flush once cured. For the second shelf, I hollowed out 3 holes, 2 at a 15-degree angle and 1 at a perfect 90. Then, using clamps and a finishing gun, assembled the shelves to the circular supports. After that, it was time for finish. And that's a wrap. Thanks so much for watching. For more DIY projects and shop upgrades, like, subscribe, and ring the bell. And I'd love hearing from you guys, so please feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time.